He moves with calm, not rushed by desire, turning long vision into living wire. Every word lands steady, clear and true, teaching us what patience learns to do. Not chasing moments, but shaping the view, building foundations time walks through. Architect of tomorrow, steady and strong, guided by values that never go wrong. Clarity leads where the future belongs. We rise together where purpose is strong. Architect of tomorrow, lighting the way, legacy forming beyond today. We move with belief, aligned and awake, creating the future we're ready to make. Not about headlines or feeding the claim, it's lifting people, igniting the flame. Education planted deep in the flame, service and truth at the heart of the game. Thinking in decades, not moments of trend,